Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook. If you don't want any of your friends or anyone to check your friends list, this is what you need to do. First, just go to Facebook and then click on this arrow and then setting and privacy. After that, settings, and then here privacy. After that, just scroll down and you see here who can see your friends list. Choose only me. You click here edit. If for example you have to choose in public or friends, just be sure to choose only me. That's mean only you who can see the friends list. And after that, just click save. If for example public, no, you don't need to click save. Here is public, and here friends, and here only me. This is what you need to do if you want to hide your friends list on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and have a good day.